Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the speaker cable for later replacement. Remove the speaker cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Remove the speakers from the adhesive that secures them to the top cover and lift them off of the alignment pins. Disconnect the speaker cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the speakers. Replacement. Connect the speaker cable into its connector on the system board. Place the speakers onto the alignment pins on the top cover and apply pressure to adhere them into position. Route the speaker cable through the routing channel on the top cover.